up, guys? Good afternoon. I am very excited today, and hence I decided to do this vlog. I'm going to tell you why. After almost 2 whole years, I'm going to attend an actual fashion week today. You know, I mean, all of you who've been following me for a while, you know I used to be a regular at all the Mumbai and Colombo fashion weeks, and Lakme Fashion Week used to be something so close to my heart. You know, just the energy of attending a show and, you know, watching the models and the clothes and just meeting up with friends, and the whole thing just died down in the last 2 years. We're just attending these virtual fashion weeks. So I was really happy when the guys at Bombay Times Fashion Week, which is an actual fashion week that's going on in Mumbai right now, and Payal Singhal invited me to her show that's happening tonight. So that practically, so that means that I'm going to be attending a fashion week and a fashion show, a physical fashion show after 2 whole years, and I can't tell you how special that it is to me. I'm really thrilled. So first of all, thanks to Payal Singhal for inviting me to her show, and yes, I'm really excited. It's going to happen at the St. Regis Hotel in Mumbai tonight. The St. Regis Hotel also is like, I've been going for Lakme Fashion Weeks for so many years, so it really is kind of a very special place, and I'm going to catch up with all my friends. I know that lots of people are going to be there from my friend circle. I know Khushnaaz, Maya, Shrima, all of them are going to be there because they love Payal Singhal's clothes, as do I. I'm going to do this quick vlog. I need to leave in about 2 or 3 hours for the fashion week. I'm going to give you a quick background about how it works for maybe a blogger or a content creator or a media person or a celebrity. Very often when they are invited to fashion shows by the designers actually send them outfits from that particular collection to wear, so that when they are sitting on the front row, you can actually see those clothes not only on the models but also on the audience. Hence, Payal Singhal has sent me one of the pieces to wear for the evening, one of the pieces that's going to be showcased on the ramp. So I'm going to be not on the ramp but sitting in the audience. So the clothes have just come in. I'm going to show that to you. But before I go on with the video today, I'm going to ask you guys to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel Rian George, because I've got these amazing vlogs coming up all the time of my lifestyle in Mumbai, fashion week, fashion, cars, lots of car reviews, and of course travel. So you're going to get some really cool content. Just hit the subscribe button, and of course don't forget to like, share and subscribe on the videos. There it is, guys. This is the outfit for the evening that Payal Singhal has very kindly sent across. So I'm gonna open it up and check it out, and then I have to get it ready, probably iron it a bit, and that's what I'm gonna wear for tonight. Yep, it feels really good to actually be dressing up and doing my hair and like just kind of looking spiffy for the show. So follow me on this vlog, and we're gonna have a nice time at the Bombay Times Fashion Week today. I'm gonna quickly show you what Payal Singhal has sent me to wear for the evening. Oh wow, it's this beautiful printed bomber. So I'm gonna open this to show you what it looks like. It's this beautiful bomber jacket. There it says PS Men. Lovely light fabric. This nice little gold detail zip here. I'm gonna show you the detail on the sleeve as well. It's gonna look really nice with matching like harem flared pants. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think of this outfit. I'm also going to be pairing it with these shoes that my friend Osman has sent me from Chennai, south side. So these are really easy and elegant slip-ons, Belgian loafers, that I'm going to pair with this. So guys, I'm finally on my way to the show. I'm really excited. The show is running a bit late, so the guys there sent me a message so I could chill at home. The light was not very good in my room, so I couldn't really show you the outfit. So I'm going to give you a first glimpse of the outfit that Payal Singhal has sent across. So it's really, it's like the old times when we went for Lakme Fashion Week and outfits were sent before the show. So thanks Payal Singhal for dressing me up. I'm going to show you what I am wearing right now. This is what the whole outfit looks like. So guys, it's this printed kind of long bomber kurta with matching pants, and I've got these nice little shoes. As you can see, I've done my hair and makeup, and I'm trying to look as spiffy as possible. So I'm headed to the St. Regis now. Guys, I'm finally here at the St. Regis, and I'm just entering. There's the security check. Just give you a glimpse of that's me right now. all the familiar faces that I'm seeing. The very gorgeous Shrima. Shrima, please, you are looking gorgeous. I love what you're wearing. I'm so excited. Time to meet all the old familiar friends that we haven't seen in the longest time. Are you excited for the show today? Okay, most importantly, tell me how does it feel to be back at a fashion show? I'm like coming after 2 years. Okay, this is my daily vlog. Everyone else has already come and say hi, so I have to say hi to my gorgeous friend Kushnaz, who is looking like $1 million, like $1 billion bucks.
So excited to be back at the fashion week.
What are we going to do on the reel?
We're gonna do like a dance move.
Let's do it. I need that video. We're basically trying to figure out how to get the reel before going into the show.
So are we doing the same step again?
The same step again. This is the preoccupation. This is why people are distracted. They're supposed to be going into the show, but Kushnaz is looking at the trending reels to see what. Kushnaz, you're on my daily vlog, huh? Are we excited? We're finally entering the show. It's been a long day. The journey.
मिल गया था यूं ही कोई मिल गया था सारे राह चलते चलते सारे राह चलते जिस जान में मुलाकात हो जागने की मेरा इंतजार तेरे होने क्या बहार तेरे दिल बेकरार मेरे दिल बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार
That was an awesome fashion show, but I don't think people have started leaving yet, and we've literally run because we want to go home as soon as possible. So we are waiting here. What did you think of the show? That's beautiful.
God, so gorgeous, beautiful.
And Alaya, what's her name? Alaya, isn't she gorgeous? She is so elegant.
So sad.
I loved it. Anyway, I'm so happy I have Shrima for company on my way home because all the banjo peeps gotta stick together.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.